So, let's go. We open this box. Lorcana. And it's the first print. And I hope I can pull Elsa. I hope that. I hope that so much. Oh my god. It's sealed. It's the 17th of November. And we opened it now. Okay, let's go. So, $300 fuck off. Ooh, let's go. Ah. Ooh, nice. So, we need Elsa. We need her. Oh my god. I paid 1,000 euro for about 4 Lorcana first chapters. But I pulled nothing. It was terrible. Oh my god. So. Ooh, nice. Okay. Boomba. Ooh, Jafar is good. Captain Hook, also good. Triton. Ooh, you have forgotten me. Oh, this is so good. This is awesome. Lilo? Hades. Oh, nice. Nice one. Cusco. And the magic mirror and hollow. Nice. And this one. So, let's open the next. Aladdin. Jasmine. Ooh, Elsa. Good. That's good. Okay. Captain Hook. Cool. Nice one. Lifu. Ransack. Mickey Mouse. That's a good point. Oh, and the Beast. Yes. That's good. That is very good. And Stitch in hollow. Nice one. This is great. Nice. Next one. Maleficent. That's good. Oh, nice, 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 nice. This is good. Moana. This card. Okay. Also a very, very good card. Very good card. Ooh. Nice. We have added in. Nice, nice, nice. And oh, Minnie Mouse and Holo. Looks great. I love this artwork. This is so cool. I love it. Nice, nice. Okay. What we have here? Mufasa. Abu. Timon. Tinkerbell. Simba, also a really good card. I played this game never before. But I will. Nice. Okay. Ooh. It's good. Scar. Nice. Ooh. I haven't seen this card before. I had 4 booster packs like that. 4 for 1,000 euro, but I never see this card. This is genius. Ooh, nice one. Hulu? Ah, Ariel, okay. But it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Nice one. Next pack. Peter Pan. Mickey Mouse, also good. Again, Peter Pan. This is me. Elsa. I want Elsa in Enchanted. I want her so much. I also have Elsa's. Pulled 3 times. 3 times. And 1 in Holo. But I want her to Enchanted. I want her so much that I pull her. Cinderella. Ransack. Ooh, Maui. Nice. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Aladdin in Holo. I like it. It's so nice. And the card. Next one. And this is the first chapter and the first print. This is the first print. I paid $250 for that. And like I said, I paid 4 of these. And I put nothing. No enchanted, nothing. So, magnificent. Aladdin. Mini. Jetsam. Beats Mirror. Ooh, nice one. Magic Mirror. Info. And Oh, nice! Aladdin in Holo. Oh, this is awesome. Nice. On the side with him. That's a really good start. That's a really good start. And we have many packs left. Mickey Mouse. Simba! Yeah! Nice. Nice one. Javon. Oh, Anna. Come on. Come on. Nice one. But... Shit. And Prince Brick in Hollow. Nice. I have to deploy these cards so much. That's the comments. Yes, and so on. Nice. I'm okay with the pull. I'm okay. It's a good start. But I want an enchanted. These I bought 2 booster packs and I pulled this one from the new one, and it's awesome. I like this card so much. From the new booster pack, I like this. This is awesome. Oh, nice. Okay. Go with these. And we start again. Ooh, Mickey Mouse, nice. Cool. I like this art. Really much. Okay. Scar. Timon. Mirror. Jump ahead. Tiao Guest. Frying Pan. Maurice. Ooh. What is it? Nice. Mickey Mouse again. I have this card 3 times. It's my 4th time. Nice. And Pascal in Holo. Nice. I love it. It's cool. Really cool. Okay. Nice. I love that artwork. It's so cool. I love Disney. I love Lorcana and oh my god, I love it. I didn't play this game till today. Nothing. Oh, nice one. Okay. That's myself. Control the tempo. Wow. Geil, nice. That's a good one. Counter. Nice. Ah. Genie in Holo. Nice. Okay. Okay. We have left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes. 30, 40, 50 packs left. Alright. Nice. I like it. It's okay. Oh. Okay. Jasmine. Aladdin. I like this artwork. Let it go. Let it go. Ooh. Nice. Nice. Woo! That's great. This is awesome. But I want Elsa. I want Elsa in Hello. From the first episode, I pulled that. I pulled Belle. But I want Elsa. Okay, next one. Aurora. I don't know this card. Nice. Cool. Stitch. Archimedes. Hercules. Tigger. I like that. I like Tigger. It's from my childhood. I like Winnie the Pooh and Tigger was my favorite character back then. Nice. Pascal. Nice card. Nice card. Ooh. Nice. Zeus. And we have Hades. I have him. I have him again. Tigger! Yeah! Nice. Tigger and Hello. That's great. This is awesome. Nice. I think I need a sleeve. I need a sleeve. I like Tigger. One moment. So, let's go. I need sleeves. I need more sleeves. This one. Nice. These cards are great. Really, really great. I put them in sleeves afterwards, but yeah. I need Elsa so much. I like her so much, but this card is really, really good. So, Tiger non-holo, but I like it. I like it. Okay, okay. Another one. And I have here the pack in German, but I don't open it. I don't wanna open it. That's too much. This is really too much. But I can't understand. People rip off these things, pull out the cards, rating them, and it's more worth. But why? This is so cool. This is so cool. Mickey Mouse. These all others are really, really cool. Oh, but I can't open that. This is too crazy. No, no, no. I love this. No, no, no. So, next. Stampede. Work together. Gaston. Okay, so. Hakuna Matata. Magic Broom. Simba. Bell. Nice. Nice one. Ooh, the beast. Be prepared. Yes, yes. This is a very good card. Simba. Again. And Jetson in Hello. Nice. Ooh. Mickey Mouse. Oh, I love it. Mufasa, Mufasa. Pongo. One moment. Simba, I love this artwork so much. Wardrobe. Beast Mirror. Donald Duck. Elsa, komm. I want you in Enchanted. Oh, please, please. Raider. Also good card. Plasma Blaster. Lilo. Oh, okay. And Mickey Mouse. In Hollow. Nice. I love it. Cool. Nice. So, next one. Elsa, please be in here in Enchanted. Tinkerbell. Goofy. Aye. Freeze also a good card. It's okay. Rapunzel, ja Mann. Ficky. Mulan. I don't have this card. Nice. And Stocky in Hollow. Nice. Okay. We need an enchanted. But sorry guys, I have to smoke. I have to drink. So let's go on. Genie. Venerable Brain. Scum. Glow. Tinkerbell. Oh, nice one. That's also good. Jasper. Ariel. Ooh, I don't have this card too. Nice. Ooh, Robin Hood in a in foil. Nice. Ooh, I have this card too. But one moment. I have this card already, but listen here. Good. This is my Robin Hood. Hey, where is the other one? Where is it? I thought I have this card already. One moment. Next one. Oh, falsch rum. Sorry. I have this card. Where is it? Here I have it. But it's not hollow. It's not hollow. And now it's hollow. Nice. I need a foil. Nice one. Where are my cases? Yeah. Nice. Jetzt komm. Nice. I love this card. Nice. Really, really nice. So we have left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 packs. And we will pull Elsa. We will pull Elsa. Or another enchanted card. Ellen, Melvin, Minnie Mouse, Sebastian, Jackson, Hercules, I have the Fates. I like that. Mickey Mouse, Beast again, Iago, but I have this card not already. Nice. Ooh, the Queen. And shit. Break and fall. Okay. Next one. Come on, Elsa. Where are you? I pulled Belle. Hey. Now I need Elsa. Okay. Be our guest. Okay, Simba. Captain Hook, nice. Stitch again. And Steal from the Rich. In holo, nice. This needs a cover too. I took them everything. Also, these cards. I took them everything in the foil. Okay. All right. Next one. Come on. Do it again. Ooh, nice. Transilver. Nice. And the wardrobe. Wait. These leaves. For John Silver. Nice. Okay. One, two, three, four, five, six left. Elsa, Elsa, Elsa. Come on. Mabu. Bomba. Maleficent. Tigger. I like him. Pascal again. Ooh, nice. Just in time. Bell! Bell! Yes, 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 nice! Geil! And Mufasa in foil. Okay. Okay, okay. We've pulled one really cool card. It's Bell. And of course Mufasa. The other cards, I treat them well. I treat them well. Oh my god. Okay. That's good. That's good. Okay. Next one. Boop. One. Tinkerbell, Bell, Maximus, Starkey, Genie, it's okay. Also a really good card. And Tamatua in foil. Okay. We need Elsa. We need Elsa. This is not so good. But I'm okay. I'm okay with this display. It's okay. Like I said, I bought 4 displays from the chapter 1 for 1,000 euro. And I got nothing. Nothing. In this one, I bought a booster from the internet and I pulled her. But I had nothing when I bought the 4 booster packs from the internet, 4, and got nothing. Nothing good. Elsa, I want you. Maleficent. Ooh, Goofy, okay. And Dark. Sword of Truth. Rapunzel, I have this card, it's okay. It's nice. Merlin and Holo. Okay. We have to put them. Okay. 3 left. 3 left. I hope I can my money back. Please, please, please. Storm, Smear, Elsa, Elsa. Mama. Okay. Nice. I have 3 of them. It's my 4th. Nice. And Pongo and Holo. Okay. I need Elsa. Please, 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 Elsa. Two left. Please, please, please. Aladdin, Chief Tui, Philip, Smash, Poisoned Apple, Grab Your Sword, und Simba in Holo. Nice, 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 nice. I took them away. I took them afterwards into the covers. One moment. One left. Or? Yes, one left. Oh, nice. Nice. Ariel again. And Kamatala in Holo. Cool. So, that was it. I have nothing left. Then I wish you a good time. Goodbye.